Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Start by going into Tab menu and looking for a mini screen mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, click on square icon at the top right or left corner. Then simply drag it. In order to resize it, use the same icon, but this time drag those little white dots. If you wish to go back from this mode, use this X at the top right or left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!